Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class already we had we seen right. So how to declare a scripted pipeline and so how to execute and all. So there is a yesterday we faced some issue right. Maven related compilation problem. Maybe that in my mission there is some problem. I will share in different missions how it will work. Same code only. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. So already you know, right? So this is the declarative pipeline. If you go to here, if you go here, I hope everyone know. So how it will work? Declarative pipeline and all. Let me open Notepad. Same thing, same thing. If you want to convert a scripted pipeline, if you want to convert so scripted pipeline, if you want to convert scripted pipeline, I will share this file. Just we convert. So same thing. If you want to convert scripted pipeline, what you need to do? So first remove the pipeline, remove the pipeline, and what is the syntax? Node. Okay, and this and all, so no need. Do we have any stages? No. Directly stage, directly stage, and whatever we want, we can call actual task and all. Now got it. See here, this is the one stage. Now this is the compile, and there is no steps. This is the syntax, right? Got it, Sudhir? There is no
Yes,
steps.
sir. No steps.
No steps.
Only
Remove
node.
this. Only stage, and so under the stage, whatever we want, so directly we can call it. So no need to do anything. This is very simple only. And so yesterday in my mission, there is a Maven is not working. It is not finding particular path. But if you run manually, it is working. But I don't know. I need to check it problem and all. So this is the pipeline, right? Go to configuration section, go to pipeline section, same code only. Node stage, and I given so my branch name, credential ID, and also my repository URL. This stage working fine, and stage compile mn space or mn. So no need to give so mvn space compile. So if you run in my machine, it is not pick that particular Maven path and all. If you click on this, Maven is not recognized internal and external command. So Maven is not recognized. Maven is not recognized internal. What is this meaning? If you go this path, if you run this manually, it is working. But in Jenkins, I don't know why it is not picked that. I tried in different mission, it is working fine. Okay. So CMD. Now observe here, CD space. If you go manually, MEN space, clean or compile, whatever you want. Okay. It is working fine. See, everything it is running manually. But while running the script, it is not pick that Maven particular path. So what is this meaning? I hope everyone know. What is this path? So Maven is not installed properly. Correct? If we get this message, Maven path is not set properly or Maven installation is not done properly. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? So but this is a problem only my mission. So anyone tried? Okay, so I will share this mission. Share your screen. How it will work, I will show you. So same script only. Whatever you want, we can try. Hello.
Yeah, shared. Just
Oh.
check it.
Okay.
Now I
Now
think
maximize it. Now see here. So this is the same only. Go little bit top or copy and paste in notepad. They can easily understand.
control.
Same only, right? See here. This is a node. So this is the node and stage and here I given so another repository. Whatever you want, we can give it. So same only. Now here no need to do anything. Directly stage compile, and directly we can pass maven compile and stage artifact bat space maven package. So here already Tomcat server not available. This line commented. Script is same only. Only we have to remove the stages and steps. And instead of pipeline, we need to add node. That's it. Now got it, Kishore? Entire script is same only. Only we have to remove the pipeline, and so here no stages. Directly stage. Under the stage, whatever you want, just pass it. And next stage compile, just directly call men compile. Next one more stage artifact. So this is the directly call your so whatever your maven life cycle and all. Clear, Sudhir? That's it. No need to do
Yes, sir.
anything. And so now we run it. But in my mission there is some problem. It is there is a misconfiguration and all. Maybe it is picking some different path. Okay, I need to replace and uninstall all again, reinstall it. I will try it later. Okay, now run this. Sir, run this one. Now see here how it will work. Same only. How as declarative pipeline it is working. All stages it will pass. All stages it will pass. But this is very simple only. Just we need to remove the. Just we need to remove the. What is that? Steps and all. And extra we need to remove whatever you want. Same based. We need to follow scripted pipeline syntax. That's it. Now go to console build number. Go to console output. Now see here all steps are same only. See here compilation. Go top. This is a package. Now see here it is pick that version. Go down. It will be down. See here maven compile. Now it is pick the correct path and it is compiling our source code and all. Now remaining story same only. Men package. Now see here men is working fine in this mission, but my mission there is some conflict. It is not picking a particular version and all. So remaining story same only. Okay, clear? Anyone any doubt here? Kishore, clear? Yesterday I faced some issue, right? My mission.
Yes,
There is
sir.
a conflict.
Clear.
It is not picked that for correct version. So that is the reason I am getting. So MN is not recognized internally and all. Only this is for scripted, but declarative it is working fine. It is the correct version only. Okay. So now we'll see continuation. Now stop your screens. I will share my screen.
Okay.
Now, so enter. So there is a few more they are asking. So what is the Jenkins file? What is the Jenkins file? This is most of the people they are asking. What is the Jenkins file? So Jenkins file is the default file name in pipeline. So Jenkins file. As of now, I didn't use. I'm going to use this one. Jenkins file. So Jenkins file is the default file name. What is the file name? Default file name. File name for pipelines. So generally, if you want to write any pipeline script, pipeline script. So right now I used which area? Scripted area. Right now I used which area? Scripted area. If you see here, go to configuration. This is the scripted area. This is the scripted area. But real time, we can maintain scripted area, but real time, most of the cases, we are using one file, Jenkins file. So Jenkins file is the default file name. So even interval also very, very important. So what is so Jenkins? What is Jenkins file? Jenkins file in Jenkins. Now see here, create a Jenkins file as discussed in the so defining pipeline in the SCM source code management. Jenkins file is the text file that contains the definition of the Jenkins pipeline script. Whatever script you implemented, whatever you script implemented, that script and all we have to maintain in the Jenkins file. So this is the one text file only. Don't confuse here. Jenkins file is the one text file and this is the default file name and pipeline script, and this is the text file only, and also this is only text file, don't confuse. Okay, now right now I am using scripted area. Right now I am using so script area, right? See here, script area, this is nothing but script area. But if we come to real time, we are not maintaining script mostly here. We are creating one file name. What is the file name? Jenkins file. And under this file, I am going to copy and paste entire script. That's it. Don't confuse here. This is very simple only. So right now I am using scripted area, right? Now got it. Now, if we come to real time, we are not maintaining this here. We are creating one file. Where we are going to create that file? In our SCM, source code management. Where we have to create this file? In our SCM, source code management. So where is your source code? My source code available in GitHub, right? Yes or no? My Java classes. So for example, if you observe here, this is my, here I configure my repo. Here I configure my repo. Which repository I configure, guys? This is my repository. See here, maven-web-application. Now open this GitHub slash, open here, open here. This is my source code, SCM. Correct? This is my source code. Now if you go here, if you go to here, the feature branch or development branch, so there is a one file is there. There is a one file. There is a one file. So whatever script you implemented, that script and all we have to maintain here only. Okay, this is the one default file name. So here click on the add file, click on new file, and we have to give that file name. That's it. What is the default file name, guys? What is the default file name? Which file name we have to give? What is the file name? See first line, Jenkins. Sudhir, clear? Am I audible or not? Hello, what, Kishore?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay, so this is the default file name. So now we have to give that file name. Now observe here, what is the file name we have to mention here? Jenkins file. That's it, Jenkins file. What is the file name? Jenkins file. Already that file is available, right? I am not going to create, cancel. So cancel it, leave it. I don't want. Now, anyway, that file already available here. Now click on here. Now already that file is available here. Now what I am going to do? So see here, this is my old script. So now I am going to remove this entire script. I am going to remove this entire script. I am going to click on edit. There is one button is there, right? How to edit, guys? There is a one button. Okay. This is the one way. Or first we need to clone your local repository, or we can update. But anyway, I am updating a GUI model. I hope everyone know how to get source code, guys. How to get source code. And so select here, select dev branch, copy this. First get the source code in our local machine. Get the source code in our local machine. Whatever you want. And git clone. What is the repository? And what is the branch name? Dev branch. Now my code is available to my local machine. My code is available to my local machine. Now observe here. Now see here. This is my local. Correct. Now this is a Jenkins file. So this is my old script. This is my old script. I don't want this. Just assume. Just now I created one file. So just now I created one file, Jenkins file. అర్థం అవుతుందా, అర్థం కాలేదా? క్లియర్? క్లియర్ కిషోర్? So we can modify two ways. First we need to clone the project into local machine, and so we can modify. This is the one way. Or directly we can, if you want to, we can change here itself also. Here itself. Already this is the file, right? How to create new file if it is not available? Just assume I will show you another. Already it is, right? I don't want to disturb here. And just assume I'm taking so this one. Just assume this is the repository. Just assume this is the repository. Okay. So what is this? Only take any one branch, other files, my repository, whatever you want. So now see here. Just assume this is the this is the my project. Now can you see Jenkins file here? Just assume this is my project. Now I implemented script. So that script and all I have to add in SCM. I have to add in SCM, source code management parallel. So do we have Jenkins file here? Jenkins file. Can you see here or not?
No, sir.
Now how to create? So we can create here or directly
We are
we can
on
create local also. Click add new file, and what is the default file name?
Jenkins10.
That's it. Very simple. Jenkins file. Jenkins file. Next. Now where is your script? My script available here. Copy this entire script. Copy this entire script and go to here. Paste it. That's it. Now entire script available my Jenkins file. Now how to commit? I am GUI level. I am committing. If you want to, we can commit local also. So commit the changes. Okay, that's it. Commit the changes. Now your Jenkins file available here. See here. Just now I created. Just now I created, right? Now same thing. Now which repository I am using? This repository. I am going to update here. I am using this repository, right? This is my Java project. I have to update here. Now let me go to here. Same concept. Go to here. This is the processor. Okay. This is here. I have to update. Now select what is the branch name? Development branch. And what is the file name? Jenkins file. Already available. Just I am going to edit. I am going to edit. Control A. Delete entire. And so where is my script? Yesterday I implemented, right? Control A. Copy and go to here. Just paste it. That's it. No need to do anything. Very simple. Now see here, entire whatever as of now I implemented, the entire script I kept in Jenkins file. Commit the changes. Updated Jenkins. Updated. So Jenkins file. Jenkins file. That's it. Commit. Okay. Now understand, right? Now I created one file in my repository, Jenkins file. This is the default name and this is the text file only. This is the text file only. As of now, I used scripted area, right? Now I don't want to use any scripted area. So meantime, I am taking backup also. So I need this file also. Window R, Notepad plus plus. I need this. Okay, pasted here. Okay, that's it. Now, if we go to here, now if we go to here, now if you go to here, now let me create. So let me create our new pipeline dashboard, new item. So pipeline Jenkins file. I given like for our understanding purpose Jenkins file. Select pipeline. Click on this. Now if you go to pipeline, earlier whatever you want we written here, right? Now where is my code, guys? Already my script and all I push it to my repository. Correct? Now already my script, everything my script available in central repository. Now how to configure? If we select here, there is one more option. Where is your pipeline? Your script and all. Your pipeline script from SCM. Clear? Kishore, so there, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need to select this one. Okay. Now select here. Which repository we are using? Source code. Git, right? Git. Now it is asking, see here URL. Now copy and give that URL. That's it. This is my URL, right? This is my repository. This is my repository. and select what is the branch name, development branch, and copy this URL. That's it. Copy this URL and come to here, just paste it. And credential. What is your credential, guys? This is my credential already added, right? Now, what is the branch name?
Dev, sir.
Dev. That's it. Now, remaining, no need to do anything. See here, script path. What is the default file name? Jenkins file. Now, apply. So, suppose if one more question, can you, if you want to, can you change this Jenkins file name? Yes, that is your wish. Suppose if you want to, we can change the Jenkins file name, but every time we have to give that a particular path also. So default file name is Jenkins file. What is the default file name? Jenkins file. Now automatically it is read this file and whatever script you added. So based on this, it is triggering the job. Clear? If you want to, we can change this, but we need to give that full path and all. So anyway, I am giving a default file name Jenkins file, and this is the branch name, and this is the credential ID, and this is the repository URL, and remaining story is same only. Here we have to select pipeline script from SCM. Where is your pipeline? My pipeline available in my SCM, source code management, my repository. Which repository? This is my repository name. And which branch? This is my branch name. This is my credential ID. And what is the default file name? Jenkins file. That's it. I hope you got it right. Anyone, any doubt still here? Or Dharni? Clear?
No, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now apply, save. Now let me run build now. Now if I run this build, so what is happening? Observe here. If you run this build, now see here. So click on this build number. Now we can observe. It is connected to my repository. The entire code cloned to my repository. And see here. And see here. Remaining story same only. This is the package and this is a compile. Mn space where is compile? It is compiling somewhere. It is packaging and it is done everything. War file also generated. Your artifact file also generated. And what is the last step? So this is also last step. Everything compile source code. Everything done. Whatever script we have. So that everything it is done. So like this real time we are maintaining. So real time see here. So declarative and SCM this stage also done, compile stage also done, artifact stage also done, and deploy stage also done. Most of the cases real time we are maintaining your script and all. Which file? Jenkins file. Which
Yes,
file?
sir.
Jenkins file. Interview also most of the people they are asking what is Jenkins file? Jenkins file is the default file name in Jenkins. This is the text file. Whatever script you implemented, okay, pipeline script and all. So that script and all we can kept in Jenkins file, and where we have to keep this file source code parallelly. ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి స్క్రిప్ట్ మొత్తాన్ని ఇన్ అవర్ సోర్స్ కోడ్. See here, this is my project. This is my source code, right? ఈ source code లో మీరు ఒక ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. So we have to create one file, Jenkins file. Whatever you implemented script, that and all we have to keep in this file. That's it. Now, if you run this build, what is happening? So first see here. First it is clone the repository. Now it is clone the repository, right? So once that is cloned in this repository, already we have Jenkins file. What this job will do, it will read the Jenkins file. See here, it will read the Jenkins file, and in Jenkins file already we have script, right? So based on this script, all steps will be executed. That's it. Anyone, any doubt still?
No, sir.
This is very, very important interview also many people are asking. So this is the same only. This is the same only. So whatever script implemented. So that script and all, first we have to create one file. What is the default file name? Jenkins file. And we have to keep in, this is the text file only. So this file we have to maintain in our SCM, source code management, your source code and all, and whatever you implemented, copy and paste in the that file. That's it. And we have to configure that. So while creating job, here we need to configure. Don't select a script. We have to select S pipeline script from SCM. If you select this one, this is different story. Okay, we have to write here. I don't want, already my script I implemented. I don't want here. So that case, what you need to do? So that case, what you need to do? So we need to keep one file repository, entire script we have to maintain in our repository. That's it. So here we need to select pipeline script from SCM. What is the git repo version control, and what is the repository URL, and so what is the branch name, what is the branch name, what is the repository URL, branch name. Next, one more thing, so what is the file path, script file path. So default file, Jenkins file, and so now it is read the Jenkins file, and whatever steps we implemented in Jenkins file, based on these steps, it will trigger the build. That's it. Anyone, any doubt, guys? Very, very important. Okay. Now, if you see here, if we go here, configuration section, and so we have to practice these commands. Already, most of the commands available here, pipeline, whatever you want, we need to try to practice these commands. Sample steps. If you want to print something, I don't know how to print it. Just type it. See here. See here, I don't know how to type. See, automatically it is generated the script. Copy and go and paste it. That's it. For example, if you want to create directory or change directory, you don't know how to change directory. See here, path, which directory you want to go. For example, C colon slash C colon so DevOps underscore software. I want to go to this path. I don't know how to write change directory. If you generate here, see here, dir C colon software and execute these commands. That's it. So these are the some basic commands already sample steps and all they given, and based on email, how to print email, change directory, delete workspace, check from the version control, whatever you want, build a job, git already you know, check load resource. Let me check file is existing in workspace or not. I want to check, for example, test file is available in my workspace or not. So what is the script by? See here, file exit test, file exist test. So like this, we have to practice already most of the emails, how to configure emails. See here, to email, which email you want to send. Subject, I given subject, and body, I given something, and I know, right? So for which we want to send and all, to address subject. If you want to add more recipient, we can add this recipient also. Just generate the script. See here, this is the email. This is the email text. This is the email. This is the email body, history, subject, and whatever you want. You pass it. So we have to practice this based on your requirement. We can configure node. How to allocate a node? If you don't know, right? What is the label name? What is the node? Under the node, what is the label name? Even if you answer, see help feature label. If you want to see computer name, label name, or any other label expressions like this is label is nothing but one name. Which name? This is our node name. This is our node name. This is our node name. Whatever you want, we can give it. Allocate an executor on a node. Which node you want to allocate? So allocate, what is the node? So enter also one or two people. What is node? Node is nothing yet. So allocate an executor on a node, typically a build agent to run further code in the context of the workspace in that agent. Label is nothing but that's just we are giving computer name. And a node is nothing but allocates an executor on a node. Typically build agents. You know, right? What is agent? Okay. Agent is nothing but so it is take care to run your job, which node and all. So what is the label name? You know, right? Already master and slave mission. I given some label name. So if you want to give uh, node and it is generating, so this is the node. This is the name. This is the node and this is the name. Node name. This is the node and that is the label name. This is the label name. Node and label name. Directly we can pass it whatever you want, so we can pass it here. We can pass it here, allocate node. So node, this is the label name and whatever you want. Now if you run this script, my script is running which node? This particular node mission. This particular node mission, wherever you want, we can run this particular node mission. So almost all commands, basic commands available here only, and we need to practice it. We need to execute parallelly, execute parallelly, and so this is the special step. No scripted, no snippet generation available. See the available. So if we here, so this is the parallel. How it will execute. This is also very important. I will explain. So interview also, can I execute our stages parallelly? Very important question. Most of the people also ask this question. So can you execute our jobs, our stages parallelly? Now we have multiple stages, right? Now got it. Now if you go here, so these are the pipeline, agent, tools, stages, and we written stage by stage. Clear, Kishore? Now, how to execute, how to run our stage parallelly? Very important question. How to run our stages parallelly? How to run parallelly? How to run parallelly? So, for example, just assume I have a, for example, just assume. Now see here. First, I am going to create one job, and first I am running normally. Next, I am going to execute. So, new item and pipeline parallel. Okay. Now I selected pipeline. Okay. Now if you go to here, generally I am writing here pipeline. Next agent. Next stage, stages. Yes, right. Stages. And this is the stage. Under the stage, what is this? Steps. Under the steps, just assume this is the stage name. For example, this is the stage name. This is the stage name test. This is the stage name test. Okay. Just I am writing echo test stage. Okay. Now same way I am going to one more stage. Very important interview purpose. Try to understand. This is the test, deploy, or whatever you want. For example, so deploy or stage. Next I am going to copy one more stage. Now if you go to here, deploy. Now how many stages, guys, here? Three stages. Clear? Deploy. How many stages here? Three stages. Apply. Clear, Kishore? So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
one stage. This is the one stage. This is the one stage. How these are executing? Try to understand here. If I build now, this is very simple only. And now see here, test and the stage. It is completed. Next it will trigger stage. Once this stage is completed, it will trigger this deploy. Okay. Now I don't want like that. They want to run parallelly. They want to run parallelly. So just if you come to here, for example, if you go here, test is the one stage. Test is the one stage. So under this test, just assume testing phase. Test is the one stage. Under this stage, I have many stages. Regression testing, UAT testing, automation testing. Just assume. Okay. Stage. One stage for, one stage for, okay. I want to execute. For just assume UAT manual testing, automation, regression testing, regression. This is the one stage. And I have one more stage. These all are related to testing only. Stage. This is the one more stage. This is the one more stage. UAT testing. Just I am giving. And like I am going to do one more stage.
क्या बचा?
So I have three stages. Now I want to run these stages parallelly. So how to run parallelly? Now if you observe here, now see here it is running one by one, right? If you go to, if you go to console also, now we can see something. Now see here, now see here, welcome to test stage, it is trigger. Welcome to stage, second stage, and welcome to deploy. This is the third stage. So interview what they are asking to, how to run parallelly. How to run parallelly. Very, very important question. Most of the people they asked how to run parallelly. So there is a one stage, there is a one tag is there, parallel tag. There is a so parallel. Okay. Jenkins so declarative pipeline. So if you go here, there is parallel stages. If you want to run parallelly, if you want to run parallelly, so how to run it? So there is a one syntax, parallel tag. What is this syntax, guys? Parallel tag. We need to use so parallel. We need to use parallel. Okay. Now see here. So under this stage, we can add so multiple times run parallel branches. I want to run parallel. How it will run means. So see here, there is a parallel. Now I am going to implement same. I am going to implement a same. Okay. So see same script I am going to update. We can easily understand. Now go to here. Now go to here. I go to here. Just update. Now see here, right? So under this is the stages, right? Now just assume so there is a one stage. So leave it. So there is a one stage, and so under the stage I'm giving so test. So here I want to run. Here I want to run multiple stages parallelly. So there is a what is this syntax? So this is the syntax. So parallel PA parallel under we have to add this all stages whatever stages. So for example, this is the one stage. Just assume Control X. I am adding here. That's it. I am adding here. I am adding here. That's it. Same syntax. I am following same syntax. So see here parallel stage and whatever you want we can execute. Whatever you want we can execute. Stage and so whatever you want so we can execute. Now same thing parallel parallel stage. Just I am aligning. We can easily understand. So this is started here. It is ended here, right? It is started here. This is parallel stage. Okay. We need to check this and all. otherwise it won't work. Okay, started here, ended here, started here, ended here. And so under I am going to add one more stage. I am going to add one more stage. So this is the, just assume, test 1, and this is the test 2, and this is the, I am going to add one more, test 3. Test 3. Now this and all just remove anything. One more thing missing. Okay. So this is the parallel is the one tag. Parallel is the one tag. Echo test 1. Just I am printing for your understanding purpose. So enter, most of the people they are asking this one. How to run parallelly. Test 2. So this is the test 3. Echo. This is the so test 3. Very important. Just how it will run. Now see here. So now if I run this build, why it is failing? Now something missing. Console output. Stage steps. Stage parallel line number 5. Something is missing. Executed one of the steps. Let me copy. Already here. Maybe typo error, right? Just so now just I'm using same for our understanding purpose. We can easily understand. Okay, there is some typo problem and all. This is same only. I will explain how it will work. Parallel, right? Go to configure pipeline. Same only. I'm not do. Now go to here plus paste it. Now this is the syntax. So this is the pipeline. Isn't any stages. Under the stage, this is the build stage. So you know these steps and all. You know, right? These steps and all. I hope you know these steps and all. How it will work. Now I want to run few stages parallelly. So how to run? First we need to create the one stage. First we need to create the one stage, and there is a parallel tag. Under the parallel tag, we can add many stages. See here, this is the unit test cases. This is the integration test cases. So like this, we can add many stages. So now these stages run. How it is running, guys? Parallelly. How these two stages running? Parallelly. Now got it, Kishore? I hope this one already you know how it will work. This one also already you know how it will work. Now got it? Dharani, that guy left. Hello?
Sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, so how it will run parallel means there is a one tag is there, parallel tag. So this is the stage name and parallel, and we can add many stages. Same story, remaining and all same story only. Now see here, I added these two, and if I run, these two stages run parallelly. These two stages run parallelly. These two stages run parallelly. Now go to here, and just build now. Now observe here, what is this? I didn't save it or not. Go to console, stage, maybe I didn't save. Go to configure pipeline and control A, control V, apply, save. Now build now. Nothing is there. Only I added a parallel. Now only I added parallel. Now if you click on this build number, if you go to console, now observe here, these two stages run parallelly. Now unit test and integration test. Unit test and integration test, these two stages run parallelly. Interview very important. So how to run parallelly? What is the tag name, guys? Parallel. Under this parallel, remaining story same only. Remaining story same only. Whatever you want, we can add it. So whatever you want, we can add it. See here, stage name test. Test is the common. Test is the common. Test is the common. And so if you want to run any stages parallelly, so we need to add parallel tag. So this is the stage name. We can give any name. For your understanding purpose, I given unit test and the steps. Whatever you want, we can write here. And there is a stage integration test steps. Whatever you want, we can write here. That's it. And like this, we can add. So for example, I need one more. I need one more. Okay. This is closed here. This is closed here. Copy this one. I need to add one more also. Now see here how it will work. Go to pipeline. Go to configuration section, go to pipeline, and we can add here integration test, right? So after here, just I am going to add, for example, uh, automation test, automation test, automation test cases. Now these two stages run parallelly. This is the syntax. We need to remember only this line. So what is the which one you need to add? Parallel. Stage. Remaining story same only. Remaining story same only. This is the integration test steps. Whatever you want, we can write here. And stage automation test steps. Whatever you want, we can write here. That's it. Now these three stages running parallelly. These three stages running parallelly. This is they are expecting this tag. If we know parallel, so that's it. They can easily understand. Okay, you know how to configure and all. Sometimes they are asking also, can you write, so how can you write parallel? How can you execute the stages in parallel? So we need to remember this script. This is very simple only. We need to remember only two lines. Remaining story same only. Remaining story same only. See here. Now if you click on here, all are running. See, integration testing, unit testing, integration testing, automation test. If you click on build, if you go to console output, now observe here, these three stages running parallelly. See, unit test, integration test, automation test. I hope you got some idea, right? So very important interview purpose. Clear, Dharni? Maybe that people they disconnected.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So this is very important. What is the tag? Parallel tag. How to run stages parallelly? What is the tag name? Parallel. Only we have to remember one line. Only we have to remember one line. Very important. So now this is very already parallel, right? Now there is one more. Sometimes they are asking, right? So suppose this stage, there is some problem on this stage. There is some problem on this stage. This is a script, right? It is running one by one. So for example, there is some problem on this stage. Now how to handle? Now if you observe here, this is very simple only. Now new item, pipeline. Okay, I given so try catch. So go to here. Now I'm writing simple step. Okay, pipeline, pipeline, and so remaining story same only. Agent any and so stages, right? This is a root tag. Under stages we can add many stages. Like for example stage. Under this stage, this is the stage. For example, I given for example test stage or dev stage development. Okay. So now here steps. Under the steps, we are going to echo. This is very simple. Now same way, I am going to write one more stage. This is the testing, testing. Now I am going to write one more stage. This is the deploy. Okay. Now apply, save. So now see here, all are running fine. There is no issue. One by one, it is triggering. So once development, testing, and deployment. Okay. Suppose if one stage failed, what about other stage? Any idea, Dharni? Suppose here is the problem. Now see here, just assume here is the problem. I removed a single quotation. So development stage problem. Development stage problem. Now remaining these two stages executing or not? Running or not? అర్థమవుతుందా? Hello. So there is a problem here. There is a problem here. So for example, here generally we batch, right? We are using a bat and I am running something. So instead of here, I am using sh command. I am using sh command. Anyway, I am failing. Anyway, I am failing. Test.sh file. It is failed this stage. So if this stage is failed, what about these two stages? It is executing or it is not executing? Guess it, Dharni. By default, what is happening? If see here, if it is failed, first stage it is failed. Automatically remaining two stages also failed, right? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is enter question. So suppose if this stage is failed, problem is here, right? Here there is no problem. I want to run these two stages. Very, very important interview also. Now I have three stages. So now if everything working fine, no problem. It is if it is done, if it will trigger this one, this is also running. All are running one by one. Now here I did some mistake here wantedly. I did some mistake wantedly. Now see here. Now if it is failed, first stage I failed. Now automatically these two are also failed. But these two are correct only, right? Here there is no error. Here there is no mistake. I have to run, right? Yes or no? ఇక నాకేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. నాకు ప్రాబ్లం అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది. సో నాకు ఇది ఒకటే ఫెయిల్ అవ్వాలి. దిస్ టూ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. సో హౌ టు హ్యాండిల్? నౌ క్లియర్? సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్, సో వీ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ సో ట్రై క్యాచ్. సో వీ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ సో ట్రై క్యాచ్. వీ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ ట్రై క్యాచ్. Now interview also they are asking how we can handle. How we can handle. So how we can handle means we need to use try catch. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. See here. So under the stage. So where the problem? So here is the particular problem, right? So under this problem, we need to add this script. We need to add this script. It is started. It is ended here, right? We need to add this script. Whatever you want. So now I am coming to here for our understanding purpose. So here is the problem, right? So now here is the problem. So now I am copying and paste here. See here, script. So this is the tag we need to remember. This is the tag we need to remember. What is the tag, guys? Script. Under the script, I am using a try and I am using catch. If any something goes wrong. So anyway, here is problem. Here I am using sh command. 100% it is fail. 100% it is fail. Now even this stage fail, remaining stage I want to pass it. So that case, so how to handle with the help of try catch. So under the steps script try and catch. Whatever you want, we can write it. Whatever you want, we can write it. This is very simple. If you want to run parallelly, there is a parallel tag. And if you want to handle any errors and all, there is a script tag. Under script, try whatever you want, we can write. And this is the catch. Catch is nothing but whether you want to make it as fail or whether you want to make it as pass. We can mention here. We can mention here. See here, this is the script. Try and catch. Try and catch. Now see here, let me save how it will run. Now see here, build now. Now see here, if you click on here, console, something expected is missing. Now go to here, go to configuration. Uh, what is missing? One more expected is missing. Stage deployment script. One more we have to, it is started here, it is ended here. I need to add one more. I need to add one more. Now see here, this is the started, it is ended. This is started and script started ended here. Okay, this is the one thing I missed. That's it. Now clear. Apply, save. Now build now. Now see here, if you go to here, go to console output. So it is printing or not. See here, welcome to deployment, welcome to testing. Remaining two stages executing parallelly. Now if we see here, only this stage is failed, and and here I make it as failed. If you observe here, this is the script. So what I did, so the current build result equal to I make it as fail. Suppose if you want to pass, now I'm giving success also. SU success. Now see here, failed, success. I updated success. Now, now see here, even that is failed. Now I make it as my build is success. My build is success, failed, success. See here, no failures and all. We can't see, but actually, if you want to know, we can go and check inside the console only. We can check whether it is success or whether it is failed. So whether it is failed. This is also very important. So interview purpose. So many people are asking. So the particular stage is failed. So how to handle that one? So how to handle that one? So how to handle that one? So with the help of try catcher. With the help of try catcher. So if you want to run parallelly, what is the tag? Darne parallel tag. Under the parallel, we can add many stages. Whatever you want, we can add it. Whatever you want, we can add it. I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir.
This is very important. Please, I will share this file also just for your understanding. Just note it. Parallel and so how to handle failed stages. How to handle failed stages with the help of script try catch. With the help of script and try catch. Now this is actually wantedly I failed, and now it is build current build result is I make it as failed. Suppose if you want to pass it here success. If you want to make it as pass, success. If you want to make it as pass, success only. That's it. Clear?
Marconda, just a second. Go to parallel ones. Go to parallel ones.
Mm.
Remove the above stage. Above the parallel one stage is there, right? Above the parallel. Above the parallel
This
one
one,
step.
this one.
Remove it and run it.
Go to here, configure pipeline. Mm,
Not that one.
this is different job, right?
Yes.
Mm, try catch, not try catch. Test, parallel
Parallel.
job. This one. Configure pipeline, and so
Just remove only that step.
this one.
Either comment it. You need to
Okay.
remove one closing brace anywhere. That is your wish. One closing brace
You
related to that.
started here, here, right?
I
It is
think
one.
yes.
Okay, that's it.
That's all right. Right.
Expected stage parallel.
Hmm.
What is
Yeah,
error?
at that time, you try to give open brace, I think. Open brace. There, go to the code.
Oh, here configure pipeline. Hmm. Parallel started here.
Open brace, open brace.
ఎక్కడ?
అక్కడ parallel పక్కన.
Okay, okay.
Not curly brace, normal brace. Even remove that flower bracket. That is my doubt. That's what. Even
Okay.
that one, you need to close at the end.
At the
After
end.
two stages. After two stages.
Here only.
Where
That's it.
only?
Hmm.
That one you need to see properly. Okay. Check
Okay.
properly.
Now apply stage.
That is giving some warning or error.
Configuration test. Expected token. Line number 21, column number 17. Line number 21, column number 17. 21.
That is not properly closed. That is expecting.
It started here, it closed here. Okay, this stage is correct. It started here, closed here, started here, closed here. Parallel is started here. Okay,
Uh,
semicolon needed.
maybe try to give at the end.
Semicolon apply. Semicolon వచ్చి చూపిస్తుంది ఎర్రలో మనకి. Semicolon.
Okay. Actually, that is the procedure somewhere I have seen. That's what I asked.
Okay, okay. We'll check it.
Okay.
Mm,
Actually, we written stage within the stage, right? That's what I have a doubt.
this is the common name for testing. Common name for all these all are I am running test related stages. So for that they given one name, common name for any
Group
name we
name,
can give
group
it.
name, group name.
Group name. That's it. Group name only. We can give any name. Here simply I am giving, and here no need simply. That is group name. We can give any name.
Okay.
So common name. What is it missing? Parallel. Okay, apply step. If we build now, this is the test is the group name. If we go here, go to console output. So under the these all are the for groups. We can give one name. Maybe we'll see. Without that name, we can
Actually,
remove
if
that.
it is running parallelly, if it is running parallelly, that will show on GUI also parallelly, but not showing on parallel GUI, right? GUI.
Console only it is showing.
Even in GUI also it will show.
We'll update. Okay. What's the time now? 8 8. Okay. Okay. So that's it from my side today.